Hello friends, welcome you all. In last lecture we discussed two numerical problems on bolted joint. So continue with this. Let us see the problem number 4. So statement of problem number 4. 100 mm by 10 mm and 100 mm by 8 mm plates are connected by using 16 mm diameter bolts of grade 4.6 and grade and steel plate of grade 410 Newton per mm square. Provide single row of bolts and find the strength of joint. That is bolt value we have to calculate. Find number of bolts required to form a joint assuming kb is equal to 0.49. Value of kb is already given. So let us see the given data. First bolt grade is given, that is 4.6. So FUB we can calculate by using this grade, that is 400 Newton per mm square. Then plate grade is given, that is 410. Steel is given Fu 410. So Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. Diameter of bolt is given, that is 16 mm. So we can calculate the diameter of bolt hole, that is 16 plus 2 18 mm. Gross area. So gross area we can calculate it by pi by 4 into d square. D is a 16. So the gross area is 201.06 mm square. So net area is the 0.78 multiplied by gross area. So multiplying by 0.78 into gross area 201.06, we get value 156.82 mm square. So step number 1, we have to calculate the single shear strength, that is VDSB. Okay, VDSB we know VNSB upon gamma m1, and that is VNSB is equal to FUB upon root 3 into NN plus into ANB plus NS into ASB. NN in 1 and NS is 0. So this value is 0. So put the values in the formula of VNSB, we get value 36.21 kilonewton. FUB we know 400 Newton per mm square, and ANB we are calculate in earlier step, that is 156.82. So it is 36.21 kilonewton. So VDSB is equal to VNSB divided by gamma m1 or gamma mb, that is 1.25. So we get the single shear strength of bolt is 28.97 kilonewton. Okay. Step number 2 is strength of bolt in bearing. So we know the formula for calculate the bearing strength, that is VDPB is equal to VNPB upon gamma MB. So VNPB is equal to what? VNPB is equal to 2.5 kb into D into TP into FU. So putting the value in the formula of VNPB, we get the value of VNPB is equal to 64288 Newton. So convert it into kilonewton. Here we are not calculating kb because kb is already given in problem. Okay. So the VNPB is equal to 64.288 kilonewton. Here we can see the TP, thickness of plate, is given. So thickness of plate we are uh, taken minimum thickness of plate. Okay. So 100 by 10 mm and 100 by 8 mm plate is given. So minimum thickness of plate is 8 mm. So we are taking the minimum thickness of plate. So after calculating VNPB, we are calculate the VDPB, that is VNPB upon gamma MB. So VDPB is equal to 51.43 kilonewton. So the bolt value is the list of VDPB and VDSB. So the bolt value is equal to 28.97 kilonewton. Now here in this problem, factored load is not given. Okay, so calculating number of bolts we require the factored load or ultimate load. So here we can calculate the strength, total strength of that joint. So how we can calculate it? So full strength, that is TDG, is equal to Fy into Ag upon gamma m0. Okay, Fy is the yield strength of that joint or plate, Ag is the gross area of plate, gamma mb is 1.1. So putting the value in the formula of full strength of plate, we get the value 181.82 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. So full strength, that is TDG, is equal to 181.82 kilonewton. So assume it as a factored load, that is a full strength of plate. So number of bolts is equal to what? Full strength of plate upon bolt value. So putting the value in the formula, we get 6.27, that is 7 number of bolts. So you will be understand the problem. So let us see the next problem, problem number 5. The statement of problem: design suitable voltage connection for a single angle strut. Now we are going to design the single angle strut. Okay. In previous problems we are only see the plates. Okay. Now we are going to discuss with single angle struts. Okay, which is made up of ISA 100 by 100 by 10 mm using 12 mm gusset plate. For factored compressive load is given, that is 175 kilonewton, and assume the 20 mm bolts of grade 4.6. So draw the connection details. So let us see the answer. Given data, 100 by 100 by 10 mm angle is given. So bolt grade is given, that is FUB 400 Newton per mm square. Then plate grade is given, that is 410, means Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. Okay, here grade of plate is not given, we are assuming it. Okay, then D is equal to diameter of bolt, that is 20 mm. Diameter of bolt hole, we can calculate 20 plus 2, that is 22 mm. Gross area, that is pi by 4 into D square, that is 314.15 mm square, and net area, that is 0.78 multiplied by gross area, it is 245 mm square. So step number 1, single shear, VDSB is equal to VNSB upon gamma m1. Putting the value in the formula of VNSB, we get value of VNSB is equal to 56580 Newton, that is 56.58 kilonewton. So VDSB is equal to VNSB divided by gamma m1, that is 45.26 kilonewton. So step number 2, strength of bolt in bearing, that is VDPB is equal to VNPB upon gamma m1. Put the values in the formula of VNPB. Here first of all we have to calculate the KB. KB is the list of what? P upon 3D0, P upon 3D0 minus 0.25, FUB upon FU, and 1. So first of all calculate the or assume the end distance and pitch distance. So end distance, edge distance is equal to 1.5 D0. So putting the value of D0, it is 33 mm. Pitch distance, minimum pitch distance is 2.5 D0, that is 2.5 into 22, that is 55 mm. So putting the all values in the formula of VDPB, we uh, first of all we are calculating the value of KB. So putting the value in the formula of KB, we get the minimum value of KB is 0.5. So putting the all values in the formula of VDPB, we get the value of 98.40 into 10 raised to 3 Newton, that is VDPB is equal to 98.40 kilonewton. So bolt value or strength of bolt is equal to minimum shear strength, and it is the lesser value of minimum shear strength and bearing strength, that is lesser value of VDSB and VDPB. So strength value or bolt value is equal to 45.26, that is for single shear. So number of bolts required is equal to factor load upon bolt value. So factor load is 175, bolt value is 45.26, so we get 3.86. So say 4 number of bolts required for joint. So here we can say this is the gusset plate, this is the angle. Okay, so this is a 55 is pitch distance and 33 is the edge or end distances. Angle size is 100, ISA 100 by 100 by 10 mm. So hope you understand this problem. So next problem, problem number 6, the statement of problem: determine the bolt value of 16 mm diameter bolt of 4.6 grade. Connect two angles. Now angle quantity is 2, 90 by 60 by 6 mm, and connected it back to back on opposite side. of gusset plate of 8 mm thick. Also determine the number of bolts required for the joint when it carries the direct factor load of 110 kN, and draw the neat sketch of design connections. So let us see what is the given. Two ISA 90 by 90 by 6 mm angle sections are given. So bolt grade is given, that is FUB 400 Newton per mm square. Steel grade is not given, we are assuming it, that is 410 Fe 410, means Fu is equal to 410 Newton per mm square. Diameter of bolt is given 16 mm. Diameter of bolt hole is equal to 16 plus 2, that is 18 mm. Gross area pi by 4 into d square, it is 201.06 mm square. Net area is equal to 0.78 into gross area, that is 156.82 mm square. So this all given data is here. So step number 1, single shear strength of bolt. So VDSB is equal to VNSB upon gamma m1. So put the values of VNSB in the formula. So we get VNSB is equal to 36.21 kilonewton, divided by gamma m1, we get VDSB is equal to 28.97 kilonewton. So here double angle is connected, means here double shear is happen. Okay, so we are calculate the double shear strength of bolt. So multiplying the single shear by 2, we get the double shear strength, that is 2 into 28.97, we get 57.94 kilonewton. So step number 2, strength of bolt in bearing. So calculate VDPB is equal to VNPB upon gamma m1. Again we have to calculate first KB, that is the list of below. So here again we are assuming edge distance and pitch distance. So edge distance is equal to 1.5 d0, so it is 27 mm, we are rounded for 40 mm. Then pitch is equal to 2.5 d0, it is 45 mm, so we are rounded for 50 mm. Then put the all the values in the form. First of all calculate the value of KB, it is the minimum of this 4, that is 0.67. So put the all values in the formula of VDPB, we get the answer 70.323 into 10 raised to 3 Newton. So VDPB is equal to 70.323 kilonewton. So bolt value or strength of plate is the minimum of shear strength of double shear strength or bearing strength. So the minimum value is for double shear strength, that is 57.94. So it is bolt value, that is strength of bolt is 57.94 kilonewton. So number of bolts required are factor load upon bolt value. Factor load is given 110 kilonewton. Bolt value is 57.94 kilonewton. So number of bolts is 1.89, that is 2 numbers. So here we can draw the figure. So this is the gusset plate. Okay, this is the angle. Okay, angle is placed like this back to back, and we are connected by bolting. Okay, so number of bolts required is 2. Okay, here we can say 2 number of bolts required. Pitch distance is given 50, edge distance is given 40, end distance is given 40 mm. So this is a double angle, that is ISN 90 by 60 by 6 mm. Factor load 110 act like this on both sides, and bolt of 16 mm diameter we are using. Okay, so this is all about today's lecture. Hope you will understand today's all the numerical problems. So thank you.